Dude, you're putting a lot of power to those subs, man.
Yeah, the only thing is I hear it popping.
Yeah.
I hope that's the box.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What's going on, man?
How you doing? Hey, can I come in? What's going on, man?
Chuck right here, been waiting to see you all day.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Whose build? It's y'all's build? Your build? Okay. Sweet. So could you tell me real quick your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Josh. I got 2 FI Team 18s and a Crescendo 17 cat.
Where's the amp at?
They're all in the middle.
Really? Okay, I'll look at it after.
And say the vibration and everything, I didn't
It is, yeah, that's actually a good idea since you have the cabin for it. 33 hertz.
33
Wow.
hertz.
Is that where you're peaking at?
Peaks at 37, I always demo at 33.
Okay. I like your wiring configuration right here. You can work with your bolts here. You don't like it?
Because I run into so many problems with it. I want to clean it up
Yeah.
and try to figure out a better way to do it, but I love to be able to switch.
Yeah, you can switch it whenever you want. Yes, sir. And your port of this, where's it at?
It's over on the left side.
Okay, I'll look at
It's
it.
literally that far from the door.
It is okay.
I got to redesign everything.
Yes, sir. Is there any way you can kind of open up so I can see the port in the back and all of that? Pretty impressive for 2 subs.
Oh, yeah.
Who built the box? Do you know how big the box is?
It is 13 cubes.
Okay. Oh yeah. Hey, how much battery bank do you have?
3 AGMs and 1 Cyber 12K right now. But just bought another Cyber 12K. Ain't matched that yet.
Oh, you
I
haven't?
haven't checked it. I got it close to where I think it would be okay.
Yeah.
So I definitely probably have to turn it down a little bit.
Are these the 3 or 4 inch coil subs?
4 inch.
4 inch, okay.
They're supposed to handle a 10,000 burp a piece. That's what they're supposed to, but you know how that
Is this the V1 or V2 or
is. V1
V1s? Okay.
with direct leads.
Okay. Yep.
Everybody keeps telling me this stuff's that bad lead slapping.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vila. Hope you enjoyed the full walker we just got of Josh's system. This was from 2021 show, a local show around Macon, Georgia area called the Small Town Showdown. A little bit of a different type of video because it's an older style system video recording that I had, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. Be sure to comment if you haven't already. Let him know what you think about his system, as well as give him a thumbs up and a like. So we're going to go ahead and dive into a 3-song bass demo and a hair trick my wife got in the vehicle as well. I'm glad to share this for y'all. Short burst demos, but he has a lot of power on tap. He's going to push these subs to the limit, as the title was saying. Not expecting to see the amount of excursion, but this subwoofers were handling the power pretty well, but they are pushed to their limit. He's ran this 17,000 watt amplifier down to, I'm pretty sure it's half ohm. Didn't get the exact impedance, but the amount of pressure that's coming out of this cabin when he turns it up all the way, definitely could tell he's pushing those subs. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos on YouTube, Jacob Vile. Got a lot more videos to come over the next 6 months to a year for y'all to enjoy. And if you haven't already, thank y'all for watching and hit the like button. We're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now from Josh with this insane pressure.
Yeah, man. How low was that, like frequency wise?
33 hertz.
Oh, excuse me, you made me sneeze. It was that loud. 33 hertz.
33
Wow.
hertz.
Is that where you're peaking at?
Peaks at 37. I always demo at 33.
Okay. Awesome. You got another song for me? Or you let it cool off a little bit?
I might have another song for you. Not to switch to.
Oh yeah, it'll hair trick for sure.
Yeah, I definitely got to check the game.
What was that song?
Gorilla Zone, Water to Water.
Okay. Awesome. Other people would ask if I didn't ask.
Oh yeah. Bass oriented songs, that's the problem. Ain't bad for 218s.
subs, man.
Yeah, the only thing is I hear them popping.
Yeah.
I hope that's the box, but I know it's
A
not.
pop is usually clipping, bottoming out, or you could have something in the box loose.
That's true.
Yeah. Anyway, hey, appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Josh.
Josh.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.